I hope y'all having an outstanding day. I got some bad news to share with y'all. You guys know how low these Scatpacks sit off the lot. They sit 1 inch lower than the 5.7 and below. And this is the reason I don't even want to go lower, because they already sit low. So I was coming into a parking lot and I had drove into a dip and all I heard was look at what I did today, y'all. I ruined my car. Look at what I did to the front of my car. Look at what I did, man. I hurt my baby. I hurt my baby today involuntarily. I did not try to. Look under it. Look under it, y'all. Look at that. Now some people like, you should have cut the bumper guards on. The bumper guards is only for when the car is being delivered. As you know, when it's coming off the truck, it kind of dips into the ground, so it won't scrape. But it's not for daily driving because the bumper guards will damage your paint. Dude, it won't scuff like that, but over time it'll rub against the paint and they'll eventually leave like black marks like this. But look, it'll eventually leave black marks, and it's like buckled up and cracked right there. So I'm gonna have to get that fixed. I'm not in a hurry to fix it right now because it's not gonna rust like, you know, the door or something like that. This is just painted plastic, but I ruined my car. Just wanted to let y'all know to be careful with these Scatpacks, these Hellcats, or whatever kind of car you got. Even if you got a lower, be careful. Even if you got a splitter, be careful. Do not drive it to a dip or curves. Sometimes we have curves, it's like this. You pulling in the curve like this high on the ground. Be careful, you know, if you feel like you can't. I made a poor decision. I could have went around, but like I said, you live and you learn. Ruined my car. It still look good, but I'm not too happy about what I did today. Made a very, very poor decision. But really, learn from me. Don't damage your car. Don't damage your car, man. Do not ride over high stuff. Oh my God, that looks so ugly. Oh, I'm so sorry, Prince. Yeah, don't. Just be careful, y'all, and be safe. Thank y'all for watching. I'm gonna have to go get some bottle redone. Like I said, with these cars, it just pins on a whole bumper, but I really, really want to avoid buying a whole new bumper and painting it. It's not that serious. It's like a fender bender, like it's my fault, so I'm not really upset. You know, somebody else would have did. I obviously would have made an insurance claim. I'm not telling my insurance. So, like I said, like my whole car still look good. Look, like, but it hurts me to see my car like this. But I'm going to eventually get it, you know. See if I can probably sand it down, repaint it eventually. Cause I got money in the bank to fix it, but I'm not in a hurry to fix it right now. You know what I'm saying? It's not causing any mechanical issues. It's cosmetic. I'm keeping the car. I'm not trading it in, so I don't have to really worry about it right now. But I appreciate y'all for watching. Thank y'all. Catch you guys later. And I'll see y'all on the next one.